Little edge I've got in my fishing at the moment, two colour paste. You've got the dark silt and the beige gravel. The same attractants as your boilies, use it as a paste. What I'm finding at the moment is I'm making up different sizes in the paste, sometimes mixing the two pastes to actually together. Something completely different from what the fish have seen. Maybe stick in a little tub with a little bit of glug. I mean, it's just quite often the first bait to go over a baited area.